You are looking at the 2018 SX190 Yamaha, just coming in for sale. Great condition, low hours. Interior still in great shape. Snap-in carpet is in great shape. As you can see, boat's been very well cared for the last few years of ownership. It's got a full Bimini 4-speaker stereo system. Bolsters on both the captain and co-captain's chair. Dash is pretty well set up. Interior's not a scratch or a scuff on the vinyl. The rear lounging pads, all in good shape. A great boat for a great price. Thanks for taking a look.